Holly, don't you do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. No. No, what are you doing? No. Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? What you doing? What are you doing? Why are you eating a stick? I hope you realize sticks aren't healthy. You silly dog. Here, come here. Give me that. Give me that. You want me to throw this? Go get it. I got it. Ooh. Go get it. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Come here. Come here. What are you doing? I'm gonna get you. Come here. Come here. Is this your stick pile? Is this your stick pile? Can we throw this? Go get. You went the wrong directions. Over here. Come here. It's over here. See? That was bad, bro. Let's find you a ball. Come on. Let's go. Look. Found one. You want this? This ball? You want it? What are you doing? Holly? Look it. Nice ball. Look at it. Go get. Did you drop that for me? You gotta bring it to me. You silly puppy. Where are you going? Holly! Let me see if I can find any more balls. Go over in this direction. Are there any more balls? Are they all over there? Oh, here's one. Oh, there's some over there. Ball! Yeah! Go get! Yeah! Yeah! Come here. Bring that. Bring it over to me. Come here. What are you doing? Hey. No. I got ya. I got ya. And you dropped it. It's mine now. Yeah. Holly. Holly. You ready? I'm gonna throw it. That was a good one. Bring it back. Bring it back. Good girl. Come here. You gotta bring it back to me. Holly, drop it. Holly, drop it. Come here. No. You're running away from me. You are running away. Why are you running? You're cute. Come here. Yeah? Yeah. I'm gonna throw it. What are you doing? You're silly. Come here. Come on. Get up. Go. Oh yes, what a good doggy. What a good doggy. What a good doggy you are. What a good puppy. What a good puppers. Give me the ball. Give me the ball, Holly. Good girl. Yeah, you want it? You want it? Go get it. No. Where are you going? No, don't go bark at the dog. There's nothing over there. Stop. No. Holly. Come on. You're not even at the right fence. Go get. Oh. Watch out for the wire. What? Holly, no. Holly. Come here. Come here. You cannot be barking. That's not good. That's not a good doggy. I found a ball. You want this? Yeah? Go fetch. That was not a very good throw, but whatever. What are you doing? No! Holly. Stop it. Come here. That's not a good doggy. Good doggies don't bark at other dogs. Unless they're talking. Yeah. 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 Is that enough playing for today? Holly. Holly. Holly, stop it. Oh my god. Holly. Stop trying to kill the other dogs. Come on. I'm gonna bring you all the way to the grass. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Come on. All the way. All the way. Yeah. Holly. 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 Holly Lolly. No, don't go over there. No, don't go over there. What are you doing? Holly, come here. Holly. Are you chasing the bugs? Are you chasing the bugs? No. She did it. Holly, stop. Holly. Come on. And oh my gosh, you're heavy. Up we go. Up
we go.
Is that enough playing for today? Is that enough playing for today? Yeah, I think it is. I think it is.